girl, yeah, come on, this you shame, Rosealee, you shame. You say if you not shame, me shame for you. Cause maybe you not remember how for shame. If you not shame, me shame for you. This is a height of disrespect. You won't let your family forget beating and robbery. When me tell the people them say them supporting your demise, them think I lie me I tell. Everybody supporting your downfall. And this no use gift as money though. Eh? Look how Akeam the Colombian did want the girl over there. And now you are slutty now go on a date because slutty now go get her body. Move from your so dirty Akeam. Move your nasty self and go. You and Rosealee are germs on the app. We are two big germs, two big careless dirty people. Two big careless dirty people. Yeah? One slutty a small piece of girl. If enough of them girl yeah, did I do all of them something there. Life would have better for them today, dear. All of them don't walk and mind man like dog. And when me talk on a vex, when I walk and mind man like dog, I want Akeam ring the fat out of your back. That I want him, the more when you cash done him and spend your fat. But now don't laugh at that more. Yeah. Boy cannot grind me and a beat me, swallow up all my mouth. How do you, Rosealee, you jump out a frying pan and then you catch the fire? Eh? What you say? So when Akeam is young ago, Akeam is a little dirty batty man. I saw him walk and sell him body. I sell body this. You never know. The whole of them sell them body. All of them. So when your mother come out and go like she have a son, she have an ingraft. She have a boy girl. I don't blame him for name you out though. Cause I don't know where you run down. As some know say Rosealee no for sit down pan like me hear you talk about a ufa dildo. She say Ivan in your class. Say I pay a dildo Ivan. At least Ivan a dildo clean. I just all dirty and it just old and mess it up. Remember roach egg the pan your dildo. So when you use it, roach will breed you. Roach egg the pan your dildo, Rosealee. Akeam, slutty, I gotta let out more things, you know. Slutty, I gotta let out more things, Rosealee, because Akeam not done chat yet, you know. And look how you're my name, murder, she wrote. Worse you have the boy there and yam you out. And I beat you. Beat you worse than all Jakes, do you? Hey, Rosealee, left the boy there, you know. I'm gonna take up back your picnic them. You think she knows me? You don't think she knows me? Yeah, what on? Hey girl. You know, so the boy of mine overseas girl for your money. Yeah. You know, see your daughter going for your money, girl. Left the boy. You get back your 800,000 from my mother yet. Sometimes I wonder that girl is a family court, you know. Because you alone walk on mine family. I said I nearly stifled a while ago. I have it too tight. Ooh. May I catch a breath? Yeah. Yeah, hey girl. The boy that want fish, you know. You see it? They make him a do you so. Yeah. You know, mind girl and boy out of your money. Run with it. You picking them need or you spread upon him. I saw that voice, I make me jump.
I saw the voice, I make me jump. Hold on, let me waste my throat. Let me drink something. Slutty the girl upon the app, you know. Slutty the girl upon the app. Rosealee, if you open your mouth again, she put up more conversation with she and Akeam about you. More conversation. Akeam says Slutty a good mother and look how much picnic you run the film. All the boy there, you see. Sister Winnie, all the boy there. One shot with shit, you know.
Forgot some laugh at the chain too.
Yeah. All the boy want shot with shit differently, you know. Me nah lie, yo. You was telling me feel it for you still, you know, but you're wicked. And only for over you buy and over people and call out people. You take the people out of the fridge yet. Take the people out of the fridge and from underneath you better see you. Come on, we are all up on the room for. Rent it out. You go back there. Pay dead people under your bed. And then Akeam introduce you to new man. Over your man. Take more of your money from you. And mine other girl. Sorry, Akeam never did that look me. Not me. My friend. Sorry, Akeam never did look my friend discover. Cause you know we just set the record straight. Nyam out Rosealee, cause we can't nyam out him.
Look at me tired to talk, so you know, man. Backside wall, man. Low my man. Leave me alone. More than Rosealee just now finished June. What a beating you get in your face. All this supposed to sweet my friend TikTok liar. This supposed to sweet TikTok liar. TikTok liar supposed to jump for joy and rock with victory. Because it's true. And you come out a different, but hey girl, you come out this, you shame Rosealee, you shame. You say if you not shame, me shame for you. Cause maybe you not remember how for shame. If you not shame, me shame for you. This is a height of disrespect. You won't let your family forget beating and robbery. Eh? When I tell the people them say them supporting your demise, them think I lie me I tell. Everybody supporting your downfall. And this no use gift as money though. Eh? Look how Akeam the Colombian did want the girl over there. And you had the second trip backup plan. I was the sister contingency. Rosealee half a shame. Rosealee half a shame. We say Cheryl run down Jakes and you are run down Akeam. How you work out the reverse? That I want to know. How you work out the reverse? Something alright. Eh? Rosealee, you just nah mention, not even him finger him want do to you. No, the boy nah leave no fingerprint on you. You know why Akeam nah do that? Akeam know your mouth stay and him know you more than how you know you. Akeam plan for you already and him a use your weapon against you. Him a beat you with your rules. Him a play your game. And you know say a your game him a play. Not my game. You're not all him do. And you are the only girl must pay millions of dollars for Choops. And when the camera off, peer rubbing. And you're the only one in a today day. Rosealee the only TikToker we must buy Choops. You're the only TikToker must mash up your family. And that you get for how much months? How long we know now? About over 1 year Akeam use you? Eh? About over 1 year now, Akeam use you, don't mum. Oh, shit, there work. Yeah, about over 1 year now, it might take from you and you now give your children. And you and your picnic them should have enjoyed their life, yeah. You should have take up your picnic and gone to Mexico for your birthday. You should have do that with the gift as them money. Take up your kids. On the wings of a Snow White. And go with your children. Yeah? You should go on with your children them. She said she riding body. In a which life? In a which life? I that I know. I must in our dreams. Because Akeam look like him want she. Akeam want somebody who can walk with and company it and say see my woman here and the internet blow up fame and Akeam foot them ugly. I wonder if I'm gonna sex slut in her socks. Because if she really lay down with Akeam, oh anyway, she might pretty and have no stomach. She might pretty and have no stomach. Rosealee, Akeam ever bathe when you depend like whenever video call it and say Akeam a bathe and him naked in front of you. You ever see him little wizard of Oz yet? Me just ask you this something because Slutty have all of them information here where you not have. If you and Akeam the pan video call when him a baby, Rosealee that talk that long time. All your kid were with the fairy tales. Girl, me can't bother for lay down and wake up happily ever after. Me can't bother with that. Oh, me can't wait pan that, my love. Yeah. Me not understand. Him ever beard yet? And you see me little wizard of Oz wet up? You ever see water upon him wizard of Oz yet and it's not your mouth water? Answer the question. What you pay for? Over 1 year you give up and you picnic them background and take up Akeam have a mother named Annie will live a foreign. She got finish growing. Yeah? And at that me there tell the people them and them a class. Rosealee, you know what Slutty for say? At this mad all the girls them. This mad all the girls them, Rosealee. And that Slutty for come out and say, this mad all the girls them. You. Yeah? She got your man.
I've got your man and you can do anything
about it. You can imagine Akeam never meet Slutty yet and Slutty never meet Akeam yet and she's full of information about you, GX, the kids, everybody. Tell me the truth. The mate have a file and you come through your man mouth where you mine. Yeah? Me now ask you. And everybody will say Slutty favor man at that Akeam I use Rosealee money by. So that can't get down the girl. That can't get down the girl. Rosealee no master the art of selling. As much as how she there sell nuts. She no master the art of selling. Akeam like the girls them were mobile. And when I mean mobile, them see them now and not see them later. Them gone and them not drive. Yeah? She give him 50 chance and one gone make left 49. Then she just start the chance with him over 1 year. Over 1 year just me think says a 49 him gone and a one chance leave. Then Rosealee you have a long for go man. You sure you go Rosealee? You sure you gonna live out the 49? Then oh boy when now grind me and beat me. At the party I can't understand. Then you can imagine if a richer man come, Akeam gone. What you mean if him beat her? Him beat her, I beat you one spell, but I understand him beat her. Of course, Akeam beat Rosealee. I wanna look on Rosealee mouth and face. Akeam beat Rosealee, beat her. You never know. You never know. Somebody said them after sex, of course. I saw you believe. You're an idiot, girl. Let me tell you something about relationship. Let me say this to you. You see, in life, a man would spend on your way 10 years to get your crutches, and the moment him get it, a man would pay $1 million to see what panty you're wearing. And the moment him see it, you become nothing to him. You see, Rosealee is a batty man. Let me say this. You see, when Rosealee get that, it's unnecessary to her after. Rosealee have GX for very long and can't give up on GX for this. Una don't know if Rosealee was a look good girl, she wouldn't in a relationship. Me now ask her attitude spell. She pay for what she want and when she get it, it can go on. Rosealee spar with a lot of batty guys in ideas coming up. She know batty works, that's why batty man, she love them. Me now ask her, I only no want to talk the truth, but she have to get the tea. Akeam know, and the more Akeam keep it from her is the more him get the money. Akeam say, when she go on like we involve, it bring in more money upon the net, and when him go on like him want her hands become free. All someone on the app dance. On the app dance, so I can't convince nobody, go convince no community when I like her. But she have to get this. You go like she have sex appeal. The boy mobile, she analog. Eh? So before him go to she, him not even have nature fear. You want to figure it out, them laugh off him. Eh? You want him bridging them laugh off him and say him push down bull post. I una alone sit down here so and go like on an idiot. I not look for no for uno. But him have to get this and Shebada chat too much and Shebada this. I una alone talk because you no want to no mouth stink. I una alone. Girl where get body relax. Yeah, she say, una no GX. GX have to come back, yes sir. GX have to come back. It's so easy to take GX and she only go on GX when she not make mention. Then why you think that she want Akeam for all her and Rosealee is a bi body individual, and when me did tell her this from about 2023 or 2022, when me did tell her this, when not believing she's a bi body, sir. Yeah, she's a bi body, sir. Me not ask you, I tell you. Look how long me I say it, Savvy. From 2022. She's a bi body girl. But none of you believe me. And this is the reason why Akeam target her. Yeah, Diamond like young boy. And with mine young boy. And that's why they go for Diamond. That is why they go for Diamond. The two girls them. Where them know for bi man. GX never do with Rosealee. Because them love her. GX said with Rosealee if you have money. June are the only one will go out there go hustle. Remember GX no work? Exactly. I'm yet to be wrong about Rosealee. Now make Rosealee come tell you say she not even put the body in her mouth at that at how she reach her sit down pan it. How she reach her sit down pan it. Me not ask you now. I'm not asking you, but when I sit down and I analyze the situation and I tell them about the people them who run and class me and talk and see it unfold. See it unfold there. See it unfold there. When Rosealee get the grip of it, then you're not going to hear everything about it. If Akeam and Rosealee did a grind, it wouldn't feel free. If I tell Slutty that we never meet yet, and not everything in my Slutty have a good relationship via internet. Eh? Have a good and on a girl sit down out here so a defend Rosealee. Man have a shit pound no. Yeah, man have a shit pound no. Man have a shit pound no. Now ask no. Man have a dida day pound no. Me na thank you very much. For true, long time me I tell you this. All of you women sit down and you support these ladies and these men who are abuse them, and then only for come back and talk or the man them a dog and you support them. You say man a dog out woman pan the app over and over and over. Let me say this. Let me divert a bit. You see, if TJ did have the money, he wouldn't stay with Maya. Some of you spend on a woman money and a go like on a hype. Now ask you, if TJ did have him own a money, trust and believe. If you want to leave, go ahead, walk out the door. Now ask you now. I'm going to take all of these things where these people are say, me love you, you're the love of my life, you're the star of my show, you're the apple of my eye, you're the orange of my throat. All I want to take them something around with it. All I want. Then you think me I was sitting here and cuss Akeam when Akeam finally tell Rosealee say him no want her. Me go boom off him face. Notice my same face. Oh. Yeah? Then you think me I go sit down here and cuss him and say what I Jayawa. I do TikTok man. Make me have to say it so. Yeah. You think a joke? And when Rosealee ready for bust it up about Akeam a batty man, it now gonna make sense. You know why? Because you did want to sit down on him John. You never know. Of course, they did a feature Britney, because Britney have low self-esteem, but I make it on the app. They are played. Figure it out where the dirty wine should never do it because him left Diamond. And a Diamond dance. Yeah, true word. Rosealee still gonna turn on our life. I'm popular. You're not popular. You're a disgrace. The reason why people tune into you, is to see you disgrace yourself. You never know. The reason why people support you is to support you to disgrace yourself. You never know. And every supporter support. The ones who support you and tell you the truth, they are the real supporters. Not the ones who enable you. No man, June too long. No, so they must skip out July, August, September. We got November. We're not even got October. Now it's true, all of them sister win some. When I talk, them say me hate woman and tear down woman. And I say, I will never respect a girl Me will never respect a girl out here who sit down in a relationship and have a man that disrespect her. Now go fix that at home so me can feel the energy when you pass by. So me can say morning, evening, afternoon, night. You alright? Yeah. You home no respect you. You want we out a road for respect you. Hell to the no power. Rosealee here a destruction and a disgrace. Akeam nothing done ring you. Anything Jakes never get out of you and you pick them never get out of you. Akeam, please take it for you and your mother. Please. Oh, you can't show. Lad, my love. What slutty? No man, that's so slutty. Oh, look. No man. This for sale. This must sell down. This is to sold. Honestly. Yeah, look good. Yeah, pum pum look good.
Where Rosealee? It must hurt.
No man, all her crutches look good. She look good either.
She known for position.
She know for position. Lord Jesus. Lord Jesus. No man, that for pay for. I who say a lie. Slutty look good. God knows she and that mad all the girls them. Slutty look really good. You see she position? Her crotch is nice though.
Right.
Me not do girl but her all pretty. Her all pretty for sure. And now when she open it out your door see the entrance though. That means she little. So we prostitute little.
We?
Our front no fake. See me have our front right here, so it no fake. Yeah, our front there you saw. Our front in my phone. How about you? See our front in my phone, I be. Me I come back and later, goodbye people. Me love you no. Our front nice though. No man the girl front a go on. Me love you here. Slutty look good. Rosealee, you can't win this. This is to be paid for. Love you. Liquid more. Slutty look good. The girl crutch is nice here. Me not do girl on her front nice. I mean not even start eating it yet. Oh, Akeam part that. Okay.